you're losing testosterone every single day. And the scariest part is, you don't even realize it. Every year, men's testosterone levels drop by about 1%. That may sound small, but over a decade, that's a serious decline. And this single hormone controls everything, from muscle size and facial definition to energy, confidence, and drive. Without it, you feel tired, dull, and unmotivated. So in this video, let's break down the daily habits silently destroying your testosterone and the science-backed ways to bring your masculine energy back to life. Let's start with the first silent killer, inactivity. Most guys today spend hours lying on the bed scrolling endlessly or gaming for half the day. Your body interprets this as a signal that you no longer need physical strength or muscle. When you stop moving, your body stops producing testosterone at full capacity. Think about it. In the past, men walked to work, lifted, built, and hunted. Movement was constant. Today, we drive everywhere, sit all day, and barely stretch our legs. The result? We send the message that strength isn't required anymore. If you want higher testosterone, start moving. Even a brisk 30-minute walk can make a difference. Next, let's talk about one of the most ignored causes: excessive screen time and overstimulation. Constant exposure to explicit content and overmasturbation give your brain repeated dopamine hits. That fake pleasure tricks your mind into thinking you've already achieved something, killing your drive to actually pursue real goals. Your body stops striving, your energy drops, and your testosterone follows. Forget the myths claiming it boosts testosterone. It doesn't. The people most stuck in this habit are often the ones who lack energy, ambition, and focus. Control your impulses and you'll instantly feel your motivation climb. Another overlooked factor is heat and temperature. Your testicles are designed to stay cooler than the rest of your body. That's why they're located outside the body cavity. When you wear tight jeans, sit for long periods with a laptop on your lap, or take long, hot showers, you increase heat around that area, which lowers testosterone production. It's simple biology. If you want to fix this, wear loose-fitting clothes when you sleep, avoid sitting with electronics on your lap, and cool down after a hot day. These small shifts can make a huge difference over time. Then there's plastic, the hidden enemy in your kitchen and daily routine. Most plastic bottles and containers contain chemicals like BPA, which act like estrogen once inside your body. And the more estrogen your body has, the less testosterone it produces. So if you're storing your food or water in plastic, it's time to switch. Use glass or stainless steel instead. Even your water bottle matters. Drink from metal or glass, not plastic. It's a simple swap that can protect your hormones for the long run. Now let's talk about the food that's silently working against you. Junk food, sugary drinks, and processed carbs create chaos in your system. They spike insulin, cause inflammation, and lead to fat gain, all of which lower testosterone. And here's the kicker. Excess body fat actually converts testosterone into estrogen. So the more junk you eat, the more you literally turn your own masculine hormone against you. The solution is simple. Eat real food. Lean meats, eggs, nuts, fruits, and vegetables. These foods fuel your system, not drain it. Now that you know what's killing your testosterone, let's fix it, starting with diet. You need 3 core nutrients: zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D. These are the pillars of healthy testosterone production. For zinc, eat red meat, eggs, and pumpkin seeds. For magnesium, go for nuts, dark chocolate with at least 90% cocoa, and green leafy vegetables. And for vitamin D, skip the supplements for now. Go outside. Just 15 to 20 minutes of morning sunlight can naturally raise your levels. Your body was built to thrive under the sun, not fluorescent lights. Next, let's move to training. Lifting weights is great, but it's not the only way. High-intensity movements like sprints or explosive bodyweight exercises give an even bigger testosterone spike. Look at sprinters versus joggers. Joggers tend to look soft or chubby, while sprinters are lean and powerful. That's not a coincidence. Sprinting triggers higher hormonal responses. So once or twice a week, sprint all out for 30 seconds, then rest for 2 minutes. Do this for 3 rounds and you'll feel the surge immediately. Another major step, check your water. Tap water in most cities contains chemicals and microplastics that mess with hormones and mimic estrogen. The result is suppressed testosterone and disrupted balance. Always use a good filter or drink bottled mineral water. Again, glass and metal are your friends here. Plastic is not. Your body is 70% water. Make sure it's not poisoning your system. Now let's talk about stress, the silent hormone thief. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that directly interferes with testosterone production. It's like a tug of war inside your body, and stress always wins if you let it. The solution isn't to run from stress, but to manage it. Work out, meditate, breathe deeply, or simply go for a walk without your phone. Even a solid workout can lower stress hormones by up to 40%. Learn to relax deliberately, not through screens, but through movement and stillness. Finally, let's talk about purpose. You can fix your diet, exercise daily, and avoid plastics. But if you wake up without a goal, your body will still lack drive. Testosterone doesn't just respond to what you eat or how you move. It responds to your mindset. When you have a mission, whether it's building your career, improving your fitness, or creating something meaningful, your body matches your purpose with energy and focus. Without purpose, you drift, and so does your biology. So here's a challenge for you. Pick one skill or goal that excites you and commit to it for the next 6 months. No shortcuts, no distractions. Watch how your confidence, energy, and body begin to transform. You'll feel sharper, stronger, and more alive. Because that's what happens when your masculine energy returns to balance. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical guides like this one.